right. Welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and today I would like you to give me your time so that we do something very simple for kids. And I think I've not yet been showing you on how you can plait a short hair with kids, and I think even if you're an adult and you have this kind of hair, don't fear to plate. There's still a way on how you can do it. So this is how we are going to start, and I would like to welcome everyone who is watching, and please thank you so much for loving Maurice. Yes, thank you so much. So my name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and I told you I go by the names of Maurice, the Crochet Master, on my personal Instagram. So still you can go and follow me up so that we can still chat more. So we are going to see on how to do the mini passion twist on kids, and you can see how we're trying to do it. I told you that I always work with my team, so at times they do something for me as I direct them to do. So while doing the short hair here, I want to be clear with you. It is always good to start it this way, just because when you just come and start braiding, that means you're going to mix you're going to try to be you're going to try to make it a bit tight, and when it is tight, then you know what happened. That means it might break someone's hair, or it might be painful. So it's always good to first plait someone's hair just this way. You try to plait it this way so that it gets protective. And trust me, if you plait it, if you first plait it this way, that means if you want to put anything, whether it's a crochet or whether you want to braid, just like braiding, still you can still install it on this one. So like, it's always good to first do it this way so that you get you install even other hair pieces, because it is not painful at all. And sometimes those ones with long hair, they always want to first do it this way, and then they install the hair pieces. Still, it is very fine. And the only tip I can say about this one, you should always try to be perfect when making the lines, so that you can be able to separate your lines into different styles. So this is why you're saying that we're trying to put it in box format, but in a good way, so that the outcome can be very perfect. And I would like to shout out to all return subscribers that thank you so much for loving me. Yes, thank you so much for watching everything that I do, and I hope that you also get to learn something. Yes, and please, if you also if you learn something from me, you can always go in my comment section. You put something that you like to see, and those ones who are slow learners, you can also tell me, and then we see how we can do about it, because the more styles that we can keep on doing, because I told you this channel is all about old hairstyles. So this is what I always do. So when you're done with that, you can just bring your crochet with the passion knots. Then you come and start you come and start crocheting it in that way. So this is always very simple. You can see how it is. So trust me, the kid is not going to feel pain at all. And the good thing is it might last longer, just because of the way you have first plaited the own hair. And sometimes that those people, like when it get growth, they can just they can only they can lock it, you understand? So you can lock it and still it remains the same, though. Like what I know, excuse me, like what I know when it comes to these like this method of starting, the only problem is at times that those ones with weak hairlines, like in front when the hair is in a four-seer type, it always comes out soon, you understand? It always come out soon. So and those ones with damaged hairline, you find someone in front, you have little hair, or not even little hair, you find like your hair is broken. Yes, the other way, when you find you have long hair but the inside hair is broken, so it might try to be hard when you're trying to do this hairstyle. So if you have the weak hairline, yeah, this hairstyle, it is nice, though it may come out soon if you over style it, because yes, the front hair is always that weak. So but if you have good hair even in front, trust me, it will last longer. And this is how we just keep on twisting it, and everyone knows how to twist. So that's how you keep on twisting it up to the end, and you see how it looks very, very nice and perfect. So if you want to try it out, I think this is very, very simple. If you want to try it out, you can just do so you can start now. Even you can start now, but I told you it is not for kids only. If you're an adult and you also want to do something very, very simple and protective, you can also first plait your hair and then you just add yes. Yes, so this is how we just have to do it, and trust me, you're going to like it. And sometimes, when you hold when you make your lines very perfect, like the boxes, it always give you a good result, in that you can always separate it in all ways. So it's always good to just cut anyhow. You understand what I'm saying? It's not always good, so you should always do that. And I would like to shout out to all my friends. Oh my god, I got friends in all these countries. Those ones who are watching me right now from Canada, thank you so much. And I'd like to shout out to everyone in United States of America, United Kingdom, United Emirates, those ones in Oman, those ones in Kenya, those ones in South Africa, those ones in Germany. Yes, thank you so much for watching. Yeah, so you can see how I keep on doing it. It is very, very perfect and very, very simple. That's how you keep on doing it. So please just make sure that you try it out, and trust me, you're going to love it, because the only problem is when I was trying to kids, they can they get tired very quick, very soon. So I just have to be with the whole team, so that you do it fast and like it gets done. So that's how it is always. Yeah. So, and I would like to say that if you really want to learn a lot from me, the only thing you're going to do, please just subscribe and click the red button, ring the bell. Trust me, we do tutorials every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday, so you see. So don't miss out all these, and I'm always here. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and just know I love you so much, those ones who love me. And please, you can go in my comment section and leave your comment about this one. For now, let me sign out. See you guys in my other next video. Bye bye.